While data transforms supply chains, the true challenge lies in bridging the skills gap. The key? Begin with the right guidance, adapt, and unlock your team's potential. Machine learning and data-driven decisions are transforming supply chain management. Yet over 40% of organizations face a skills gap in advanced analytics, making it difficult to find experienced professionals. The solution are: start small, evolve, and empower your existing team. Introducing the Supply Chain Analytics Certification Program, designed for practicing professionals and academicians. This program is brought to you by the Indian Institute of Materials Management, a charter member of the International Federation of Purchasing and Supply Management, in collaboration with St. Joseph's Institute of Management, accredited by AICTE with an A grade from NAAC. Spanning 16 weeks, this online program bridges the analytic skills gap, no prior programming experience required. With online classes every weekend, this program emphasizes practical knowledge and applications such as: learn to work with data and statistics, master descriptive analytics using Power BI, build predictive models to forecast trends, apply prescriptive analytics for process optimization. The program culminates in a 4-week capstone project where you'll solve real-world supply chain challenges using your own data under expert guidance. Get hands-on experience with industry-leading tools like Analytics Solver and RapidMiner. Gain skills too. Analyze supply chain data for actionable insights. Forecast demand and lead times with predictive models. Optimize inventory, transportation, and supplier relationships. Develop impactful dashboards for decision-making. This certification enhances your career by demonstrating your ability to make data-driven decisions. Unlock roles such as supply chain analyst, operations manager, inventory planner, and more in industries like manufacturing, retail, e-commerce, and logistics. Empower yourself to lead in the dynamic world of supply chain analytics. Enroll today in the Supply Chain Analytics Certification Program and take your career to the next level.